Guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well and new latest idea and style looks for girls and women's latest styling and designing bucket bag style handbags and handbags fashion tips. Learn how to pair different handbag styles with outfit to create stylish looks for various ascension. Feel free to ask for more information or details on any of these ideas. Explore the latest trend in handbags, including style, colors, and material, and see how you can incorporate them into your wardrobe. If you are looking for a gifting, consider gifting a stylish handbag to a loved one. You can also explore personalized or handmade options. If you have a collection of handbags, consider displaying them creatively in your home, like on a dedicated shelf or hooks or the wall. Here are some ideas related to handbags. Are you looking for information on types of handbags, shopping, recommendation, or something else related to handbags? Guys, please keep sharing, watching my video, and see this video till the end, and mention in the comment section for your feedback. Handbags come in various design and you can get creative with color, texture, and pattern. Here are a few popular ideas. And style. Take care. Bye bye.